Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make character selection in Roblox. So firstly, we have to go to the search panel of Windows and type Roblox Studio. Then open it. After Roblox Studio opens, we will go to My Games and open the game we want to add character selection in. After the game loads, we have to go to the toolbox section. From here we will search character selection. Then we will add the first tool. Click OK. After that, we'll see that 4 files has appeared in our workspace. We have to put them in their respective directories. So first, let's get them all in replicated storage. I have to take character selection and put it in starter GUI, and the script folder of character selection should go to the server script service, and these two will have to stay here. And in characters, we'll have to input our character center. So in characters, I'll input my character. So I'll drag my user file and paste it in the characters folder. And now if we play the game, we will see that on the left hand of our screen there is a button called select character, and if we click it, we will find our character in there. In the same way, you can add many more characters into the game and play as them as you like. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.